What exactly does it mean to build the metaverse? We'll start from a very conceptual view on the metaverse introduced by Jon Radoff. Rather than a single software platform, he describes the metaverse as a digital environment made up of 7 distinct layers. His vision that these layers must work together, from the experiences people seek to the enabling technologies that make it possible. These 7 layers will allow us to look at what the metaverse might be from different angles. The first layer is an experience layer that discusses what kind of experiences the metaverse can deliver. Of course, first of all, the experience in the metaverse is immersion in three-dimensional space. In the global vision of the metaverse, it is important to highlight the metaverse can map all aspects of human life scenes into the digital world. The metaverse can help humans expand their boundaries and have experiences in the virtual world that they cannot have in the real world. Importantly, the experience in the metaverse helps users become creators of content. Content will be generated and expanded from interactions between people and things, and people and space, and each user can participate in creating content while experiencing and consuming it.
The second layer, discovery layer. The discovery layer defines the aspects of the metaverse that ensure people remain active and engaged users. As Jon Radoff describes it, it's the push and pull that introduces people to new experiences. In the metaverse ecosystem, discovery takes two forms: inbound and outbound. Inbound discovery happens when people actively seek out information or experiences. Outbound, on the other hand, is when content is pushed to people even if they are not actively looking for it. We are also seeing the rise of content creation, which will increasingly be shared within the metaverse. Real-time presence will play a major role. Different types of social interactions, whether through gaming, music, or live conversations, become even more immersive and dynamic in the metaverse, creating shared experiences like never before. Another crucial aspect of engaging users with the metaverse is the third layer, which focuses on users as creators. In the early days of the internet, creating tools, apps, or digital assets required some programming knowledge. But today, thanks to the web application frameworks, it's possible to develop web applications without any coding at all. This shift is driving an explosion in the number of designers and creators online. In the near future, anyone will be able to create on the web without spending hours learning how to program. As Jon Radoff explains, creators are gaining access to tools, templates, and content marketplaces that shift development away from a bottom-up, code-centered process to a top-down, creative-driven approach. We are already seeing the rise of the creator economy. Take YouTube, for example. In its early days, only a handful of big creators were getting millions of views, typically producing content like sketch comedies or tutorials. Now millions of users are making videos on countless subjects, regardless of the size of their audience. TikTok has taken this concept even further, empowering an even larger community to become creators. In this new digital landscape, consumers can easily become creators themselves. And looking ahead, the vision is that these experiences won't just be immersive, social, and real-time, but also highly personalized, tailored to individual users in ways we have never seen before. Layer 4. Spatial computing. Spatial computing refers to technology, both software and hardware, that enables the creation of virtual representations of real-world environments, effectively blurring the line between physical and virtual reality. Spatial computing involves the use of sensors, cameras, and other tracking devices to create a virtual representation of the physical world. It also involves the use of technologies like virtual and augmented reality glasses, as well as powerful 3D engines such as Unity and Unreal. Layer 5. Decentralization. Decentralization refers to the technologies, designs, and strategies that shift power and control away from centralized authorities. For a long time, this framework was seen as the ideal way to operate the metaverse efficiently. Layer 6. Human-computer interaction. This layer describes the technologies, hardware, devices that allow users to experience the metaverse and exploit through dynamic human-computer interactions. The technologies get smaller and highly portable, such as smartwatches and smart glasses. Biosensors and neural interfaces between brains and computers are also being experimented on. Last layer, the layer of infrastructure, pertains to the complex technological infrastructure required to create a fully functional metaverse that enables our devices to connect us to virtual networks and deliver content. 5 technology clusters power the metaverse. They are the computing power and network, artificial intelligence, video game technologies, display technologies, and blockchain technology. At different parts of the course, we will study each of the technologies in more detail.